Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki. If you're new here, hey, make sure you subscribe and I hope you enjoyed this video. Today I will be showing you guys how I make Rasta pasta with shrimp and chicken. Yes, this meal is so good. I promise you will enjoy this recipe. If you follow everything I'm doing, you cannot mess up on this recipe. Your family and friends will love this recipe. Dish for every gathering that you guys have. That's how good this meal is. Okay, so make sure you follow this video, hit subscribe, hit the like button, and yeah, just follow everything that I'm doing. All right, so you see here we have our colorful peppers, shrimp and chicken well seasoned. I have my cheeses here. I have my penne noodles, all the seasonings that I will be using. I am using 1 teaspoon of each one of those seasonings. I am boiling my noodles in chicken bouillon. You know, you need flavor. I like flavor. So you're going to just cook your shrimp and your chicken. Cook it well done. Then you're going to remove that and you're going to cook your veggies. Follow everything that you see me doing here and your meal will come out perfect. There's no wrong way. Just make sure you do not scorch your milk. You do not want to scorch your milk. As far as the jerk seasoning, I'm going to tell you now, you put as much as you want. I don't put a lot because I don't like spicy, like real spicy food. So you put as much as you want. It depends on your spice level. So garlic, you see that garlic? So yes, just follow everything that I'm doing and I promise your dish will come out bomb. Make sure you let me know in the comment section if you made the dish and how your dish turned out. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful and I'll see you guys next time.
I'm talking feel a